Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. I'm down at my allotment again. I haven't been down there for quite a while. Wasn't feeling 100%, so I haven't been down there for a couple of weeks, but you see on a Wednesday I've got my Jamaican videos coming out. There's only a few of them what I took when I was in Jamaica, because when I was over in Jamaica I had problems with the camera as well, so I didn't get to use it that much. So what I'm doing today, I'm just down there and I'm just going to deadhead all these roses, get some of these brambles out and that, and that's it what I'm going to be doing for today. As you can see, the roses are come on nice. They're flowered nicely. So what I want to do next time, I'm going to get some clips and sort of when they start growing more, clip them onto here so I'll get a nice display along the fence. So I'm going to carry on with this, then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so I'm just going along and I've seen what to chop down. Some of it I'm going to have to leave until when I know what the plants are. I've got one of my rhododendrons there coming along nicely. I know I planted, this is a marigold, and I think I planted another one up there somewhere, but which I hope I haven't cut down, knowing me. No, it's here. I think this, I'm not sure if this is it here, but I know there's another one. There was two marigolds, so I'm not sure if that's it. So that's what I was saying, some of the things I'll have to wait and see. As you can see, the grass is just a pain in the neck as usual, but I've got to come and trim. Then I want to border it off as well. So you can see all these are stinging nettles. My cameraman coming more. Then see, most of this stuff isn't even on my side, so what I've got to do next time when I'm strimming now, I'll have to come along here and see what is what. Got all this banking of stuff here. So I have to come right along and strim along here, deadhead all these. I'm looking at my fig tree. Although it's dormant at the moment, it's still got a few figs on it for some. It's the first time I've planted a fig tree, so I don't know that much about them. My water butts are filled up, so that'll take me up to when they turn back on the taps. All my beds, you can see, are ready. Just got this one here to do. All the others are dug over, manured nice and thick. Just got that one behind the shed to finish off next time I come down. It won't take me long. It's just to dig up a corner of it and then put put the manure on ready for next year. So all what you do now, just keep an eye on it. If you see any greenery coming through, because sometimes the manure gives off the grass starts growing from the manure and that, but I'll keep an eye on it. If anything needs pulling out, I'll pull it out. Right, so everything's looking nice. Just put this here. So mainly now we're well into, we've had a few weeks of frost and that, so as you can see I've tidied up along there a bit, but I'm going to do it when I've got a bit more time on my hands. I'm going to neaten it up, find all the things. I'm going to put a border along there so it look nice and everything will look nice and neat, and then I'll strim, get everything nicely organised. So I'm going to go in this polytunnel now, show you what's going on. I haven't been in there for a few weeks now. Right, as you can see my lilies have started to dry down now. My sugar cane also doing the same thing. Still got some the seed pods, so I'll be giving out some of the seed pods. I've got my yacons and my ochre yams in here. See my lemon tree still surviving. The lemon tree and the orange tree. My ginger's drying up now, as well as my bananas. All my pepinos have dried up now, so I don't know if they're going to come back next year. I'm just going to leave them where they are till next year, and then I'll sort them out. My papaya is still got the stem on it, but you can see the leaves. My eddos, what are left in there, they're drying up. So my peppers down there, my physalis is starting to go now. So for some reason it's quite warm in here. I haven't got my temperature thing in there. It broke the last time. But the floor, I see the floor's holding out. Because I've put everything in, most things in trays. That keeps most of the water off of the floor. So that's what's going on in the polytunnel. So don't know if it's gonna last for the winter, because everywhere's sagging. If it snows and the snow settles on it, then I think that will be its lot. But I'm still looking into getting a polycarbonate one. They're quite expensive, coming out at around about the £2,000 mark, which is a lot of money, but it's going to be, I might have to, if I put one here, I might have to lose these 2 beds, because I think it comes out to 7 or 8 foot wide. So I'll most probably end up losing 2 beds. But then the beds would be inside, so it would be more tropical plants that I'll be planting in it if I can sort that out. As you can see, this one's just got holes everywhere. windows have got holes in them, so they're not good quality. So this is an out sunny one. They're not good quality. You can see how much that sag. Snow settles on that now. That'll cave right in. But I've got another cover for it, but then I can see the hoops ain't level neither. The hoops are coming down. I think there should have been a stabilising bar in the middle, which to keep it all level. But you can see as the wind blows in it, it goes up and goes down. So that's everything. The fence and everything's holding out. I think later on when it dries out and everything, the season gets going, then I most probably give it a coat of stain or something to keep it a bit longer. So all these two, I've got to take these two up, take them out and then strim and then put them back, put the thing. This is where I'm going to put my potatoes. I'm going to just put them in buckets and do some at home. So you'll see the progress. Like I said, we're at the end of the season, so everything is just tidying up now and getting things ready. So my next task now is to wait till when we get a couple of dry days, if we get them, and then strim and then finish tidying up. Up the top here, I've still got this to sort out. I was hoping that they would have got rid of this by now, but it looks like their council ain't coming along so often. I think she's asked them to take it away, this pile and that pile, and then I still got the scaffolding board ready for me to do this bed here and make it more stronger. Take out all this rotten wood and put in new stuff. And then what I was wanted to do is build a bed here, but a high one about this high, where I can put my root plants in, or sweet potatoes or carrots and that. Gonna mix it with the sand and that, and then just put it here so they've got space to go down. But we'll see the progress. Up here now is all gonna finish off this bit here now. I've taken out the yacons, so when I've finished doing that bed, I just come and dig along here. Let my cameraman come down a bit more, because he's always camera shy. Come on. Gonna dig this bit down to there, and then once they bring manure it off, and then get all that tidied up. You can see a load of junk and everything just there from when I got the plot, which they're meant to take away, but they're waiting on the council, she said. So that's what's going on. So please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave any comments, you can leave them in the comment section. If there's anything that you want to see us grow next year, I've got a few things in the pipeline. that are going to give a try, whether it's outside or in a polytunnel. We're going to do that and get on with it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care.